Gather round. It's time for your Real Estate Chalk Talk with the Hittner Group at Coldwell Banker Burnett. Listen closely as your coaches discuss the culture, the economy, and the political scene, and how it affects your home and your real estate investments. Real Estate Chalk Talk is where you learn the science of buying and selling real estate and the art of living in your home. Your education begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, welcome to the program. I'm Keith Hittner Sr. here. You know, Keith Hittner Jr. got called away. He had a closing that got moved up, actually, so he wasn't able to be in the studio. Kelvin's got some deal that he's doing, him and Jared are doing today, so they won't be here. So it's just me and Fritz in the studio. We got to take up all time. We said that we're going to talk slowly and extend the conversation
more
a
details,
little bit, lots more details, because we don't have so many voices in the room. But you know,
we'll do fine.
I can't talk slow.
You can't now.
I
got a lot of stories.
I got a lot
Let's
of
get
stuff,
going. I got a lot to talk about,
and I gotta get her out. So we got Zero Res coming on the program. Excited to talk about that with Sue. She's going to be on the show. We got Bob is coming in from Starlift. Starlift is a new company that's just starting out. Actually, Bob's been around for a long time. He's was an elevator inspector, and then they've decided that they're moving from inspecting elevators to installing them. So chair lifts, lifts for wheelchairs, you know, small personal use elevators, in-home use. Really interesting, and it's interesting because I've sold a number of homes with elevators in it. I've had family that have had to have chairlifts installed. We have friends who have handicapped children that have chairlifts installed. This is a very useful item to kind of have in your pocket. So I'm excited to talk with Bob about that. And then we're going to be talking a little bit this hour about our own inventory and the business that's coming online. I know that you've been really busy as we kick off the